What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If there's one modification I've been wanting to get for the 3rd gen Tacoma, it's definitely the catalytic converter shield or cat shield. You guys know there's catalytic converter theft has been on the rise, especially for truck, since it's easier for them to go underneath, especially lifted truck to cut out the catalytic converter. So CaliRaised been kind enough to send us that cat shield, catalytic converter shield. And one thing I really like about CaliRaised is I have a lot of their products, so it kind of fit into what I want to have on my 3rd gen Tacoma. And CaliRaised has been one of the company that I know for a long time. Before they moved to Texas, they went born and park in my area, so I have a bunch of their product on my 3rd gen Tacoma. Their sliders, their bed rack, their bumper, their ditch light bracket. So I know that the quality of their product is really good. So when they reach out to me to do an unboxing and install video of the catalytic converter, I say, yeah, let's do it, guys, because it's one thing I've been wanting to put on my Tacoma for a while. I do park my Tacoma outside in the street once in a while, so it's nice to know that, you know, if anything, anybody want to steal my cat, now it's protected. So yeah, in this video we'll do the unboxing of this catalytic converter shield by CaliRaised, and then we'll do the install video. But yeah, let's get into the portion where we do the unboxing of this cat shield converter. Alright guys, so this was sent out to us by CaliRaised. Love their products. So let's see what's in this catalytic converter shield protector, whatever you want to call it. Oh wow, nice. So this is my first impression when you see that. Oh, that's really cool. It has their logo on here. Oh wow, this is really nice, guys. Wow, love the design, love the logo here. That is really cool. It's not that heavy actually, pretty light. Has all this slot for heat, obviously. Let's see the other one too. There should be two. Nope. Two. Left and right. Nothing in here. CaliRaised sticker. Yeah, a couple of bolts and a washer and a plastic. Look like a cover or something sort. And it'll give you a bit to remove all that stuff and use it. So it is kind of nice to have all the hardware right here. But yeah, let's take a close look. All right guys, got the truck in the shade. So what we're gonna do is just lay a few towels underneath just to, you know, so it doesn't get too dirty, and then I'll show you guys how to put the cat shields on the Tacoma. All right, some of the tool we'll be using today: impact drill, a ratchet, 14 millimeter, a 12 millimeter, little wrench here. And yeah, this is to put the rubber piece into, help with the putting the rubber piece into the cat shield. Start with the passenger side, and what you want to do is have this plastic rubber piece push in. This help with the rattling. And then right now I got my towel, keep me from being dirty on the passenger side. And then we remove a few cross member and yeah, put in the cat shield. I'll show you guys what it is. All right guys, so underneath the truck on passenger side, so you want to remove this cross member. There's 4 bolts together, and then you want to loosen these 2 nuts right here that's holding these 2 bolts that's holding the transmission. But yeah, we'll start with these 2 and then take these off completely. All right, just clean it up a little bit here. It was pretty dirty from all the off-roading, so just wipe it. Now we're gonna work on the 14 millimeter right here, and then just, we don't want to remove this bolt completely, just loosen it. Okay, so just loosen this so that we can have a little space, and we'll push back just a tad so we can have some working space on those nuts right there. But yeah, do not take this bolt off, this nut off, I mean. Okay, so the 2 bolts right here are loosened
the nuts are loosened, and then we want to push it out a little bit like that, and that way we can put the cat shield underneath it. All right, so I found out it's easier just to put the old two bolts of the cross member first, and then we'll work on this aligning these two holes together. Makes things a little easier, and that way we're not just holding this by force. So yeah, just put those two first, and then we'll work on the two in the front. And the two in the front are obviously the two bolts that are provided by CaliRaised. That way, unless they have this bit, they're not going to be able to open this. So you use the two bolts that they provided. All right, so all the bolts and nuts are in. It was a little bit harder because my cross member is a little bent from all the off-roading, so I had to tweak it a little bit, but it's all in. So this is how it's supposed to look like right now. The two OEM nuts and bolts in here, and then the provided bolts by CaliRaised is in here. And then what we do now is just tighten all this up, and that should be done for the passenger side. We'll work on the driver side. All right, guys, I'll finish. We got the passenger side there, and then we got our driver side here. It's looking good. It was a little bit harder to get all these bolts inside because my cross member is a little bit bent, but able to work it out. But man, that was looking nice. All this slotted for heat distribution, so a little bit cooler. It's really nice. I like the logo here, the CaliRaised LED logo over there as well. But yeah, this project is done, guys. It took me about a little bit over an hour to do. If your bolt's a little bit newer, a little bit easier. Your cross member a little bit newer, a little bit easier to get it in. But yeah, mine was a little bit. It is what it is. But it's all finished.
Alright guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed that install video. Super easy, definitely a mod that I've been looking forward to having. So thank you so much CaliRaised for sponsoring and sending out this product. If you guys are interested in this product, the catalytic converter, I'll put every information, all the link and everything in the description below. And if you guys are interested in getting one for yourself, I have a discount code, so I'll put everything in the description as well for you guys to get a little bit discount on that catalytic converter. I love CaliRaised LED products. Been having a few, as I was mentioned, their slider, the bed rack, and a few of the other stuff, the ditch light bracket and whatnot on Tacoma, as you can see here. So yeah, definitely quality product, made in USA, all that good stuff. So it is kind of nice that they're able to send this out and then do a collaboration. Yeah, as was mentioned, I'll put all the information in the description below. If you guys have any questions on install, just let me know in the description, in the comment actually, and then I'll try and answer as much as I can. We are going on a first adventure with the newborn tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to not gonna be something crazy, not overlanding or anything like that, but he is gonna be on an outdoor adventure, so looking forward to sharing that adventure with you guys. But man, it's been hard as we're going through the newborn trenches right now, as they call it. It's been pretty tiring this past 2 months with him. So yeah, if you guys have a baby, you guys know the newborn trenches is really difficult. So it's been hard trying to get content going, but hopefully you guys been able to enjoy a few of the content I've been sending out. And yeah, I'm looking forward to sharing that content with you guys, taking him to his first outdoor adventure. So yeah, if you guys like this kind of content, consider subscribing, and looking forward to sharing this content with you guys. And as was mentioned, if you guys have any question about the install, about the catalytic converter, or any of their product, CaliRaised LED products, just let me know in the comment section below. All right guys, so catch you guys on the next adventure. Take care, bye.